In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Copilot from Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first what you need to do is just go to your search and type add or remove programs. From the best matches, just open it up. You can expand this. Then in the search, just type for Microsoft Copilot. And you're gonna find it over here. Just click on install. Click on install again to confirm it. Then just give it some time. It will install Microsoft Copilot from your system. But that's not enough. You then need to go to Start, right click on it, then click on Run. In here, you need to type regedit, which is regedit, and click on OK. Click on Yes. And after you have done that, what you need to do is just go to HKey current user. From here, you need to go inside software. From software, you need to find policies. So just find policies, then go to Microsoft. And inside Microsoft, go to Windows. And inside Windows, what you need to do is just come here and right click on Windows, click on New, click on Key. Then you need to rename the key as Windows Copilot and hit Enter. Then select this key. And here in the right hand empty side, just right click again and click on New. Then click on dword 32-bit value and name this Turn Off Windows Copilot. Hit Enter. Then just double tap on it to open it. Make sure the value is set to hexadecimal. And after that, set the value from 0 to 1 and click on OK. And after that, close all this. Then just go ahead and restart your computer and Copilot will be removed from your system. And basically that is it. And that is how to remove Copilot from Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.